Hello everyone, DayTradeToWin.com. My name is John Paul. I'm going to show you in this video how to import indicators into your NinjaTrader charting platform. I know some of you already know how to do this because we include instructions for those of you who have the Atlas line or the Trade Scalper or the At the Open. But some of you who are new to our trading software have asked me to do a video on how to import the indicators after you install them. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the Atlas line and the At the Open 2 here from the chart. By the way, these are the signals that occurred today, December 10th. And so we have a nice clean chart. When we send you the zip file, you don't open the zip file. You actually import the zip file directly through the NinjaTrader charting platform. So you download it from the link that we give you, and it gets downloaded probably into your downloads folder. And you come here to your NinjaTrader charting platform, and you go to Tools, and you go to Import, and NinjaScript add-on. So you're going to import the NinjaScript zip file that we provide to you into the charting platform. So what we have here is your downloads folder. This is my downloads folder. And in my downloads folder, you probably have a lot more files than I do. But in your downloads folder, you're going to have downloaded already either the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line or the roadmap or any of the software that we have that we provided to you. You're going to click on it. So for example, I'll click on the Atlas line, and you should have a message that says you're successful. You have to restart NinjaTrader for the changes to take effect. So this is all you have to do in order to have and import any of our indicators into your NinjaTrader charting platforms. That's the first part. All right, now we're going to step 2. We have to license the software so it works on your NinjaTrader charting platform. Just because you imported the zip file into NinjaTrader and you can see it in your list of indicators, it's not going to work. So there's a second step to this. And this is especially useful for new traders. We have a lot of new traders using the Atlas line now, and the Trade Scalper especially, that are always asking me how to license the indicators. So this is very simple. We're going to go here to Help in your NinjaTrader Control Center. We're going to go to Third-Party Licensing. There's 2 things you have to fill out. The first is DayTradeToWin, spelled exactly like this. You have to use the capitalization, capital D, T, capital T, and capital W. You have to spell it exactly like this, DayTradeToWin, for the vendor name. And the second part here is your first and last name. So let's say your name is John Smith. You're going to place your first and last name lowercase, and very important, without any spaces in between your first and last name. A lot of traders that get new computers that have the lifetime licenses asking us to relicense them, they typically forget this second step about putting your first and last name without any spaces. So this is a very important part of the licensing to work. You have to have your first and last name without any spaces here. And you click Submit. Now, when you click Submit, it doesn't send it to us. You have to copy and paste this information, your machine ID plus the dash in your last name. So copy this entire string of letters plus your name and email it back to us. Typically, we will update you within the same day. We'll try our best to do it within 24 hours, and you're good to go. If you have any issues, you can always email us at support@DayTradeToWin.com, but email this back to us. And once that's finished, you should restart NinjaTrader. I think it's important to restart it to update and activate the license, and then you're able to add whatever indicator you have purchased to the chart, or let's say it's the ATO2. So, or the Trade Scalper, for example. So this is exactly how we license, we install, and we update the software for those of you who are part of DayTradeToWin. If you have any issues or have any questions, please email us at support@daytradetowin.com, and I'll see you in the next video.